In 2025, drug addiction still threatens lives.
They could be your classmates, co-workers, and your neighbors. The face of addiction isn't a stranger. It could be anyone. Dala mo ba?
Dala ko.
Saan?
Ito.
Every year, millions of people struggle with substance abuse. Over 316 million people worldwide use drugs in 2023. That's almost 6% of people aged 15 to 64. In the Philippines, around 1.47 million people are illegal drug users, about 1.3% of our population. These are not just numbers, these are lives interrupted, damaged, and sometimes lost.
Addiction is complex. It can begin with curiosity,
It's not really good, bro.
Yes, you must try.
peer pressure,
Try this, bro. This is good. Come on, bro. Let's try.
and trauma. But it's not a moral failure, it's a health issue.
I was 16 when I tried drugs. I thought it was fun, a way to escape, but soon I couldn't stop. I lost control. I hurt people I love. I lost myself.
Watching someone you love destroy themselves, it's heartbreaking.
But I got help. I found support and I started over. Recovery is hard, but regret is harder.
Addiction is not a death sentence, it's a disease, and it can be treated. Recovery is possible, but only if we choose compassion, not shame, support, not silence.
The opposite of addiction is not sobriety. The opposite of addiction is connection. 316 million users worldwide. 1.47 million in the Philippines. But you can help break the cycle. We can't afford to look away anymore. Speak up. Reach out. Say no to drugs. Yes to second chances.
The fight against drug addiction starts with knowledge, continues with empathy, and ends with action. Together, we can change the story. Drug addiction is real, so is recovery.